Hey everyone, my name is Shagun and you're watching Tipistic Boys. Today I'm going to give away a free preset of Lightroom of orange and teal theme, or teal and orange, or we can also say Sam Kolder theme or whatever. However, I have not copied his same style. We have to be a little bit unique, because if you're just going to be like him, then everyone is going to cuss on you and everyone will say that you are a copy of Sam Kolder. So all you have to do is just go to link in the description, download it, import in your Lightroom, and you can easily apply them on your photos. Let me show you. Okay, so here I have one of the photographs which was taken by my friend in a garden, and here we can see the bunch of presets right here. So now this, you will see, the preset Shagun's orange and teal. You can easily import it. If you don't know how to import, then click on this, or just create a new folder, then click on right click and then import, and then choose your choose your preset and just click on import and you will have it. Okay, so now I'm going to just apply it to my photos, and here you can see, just by applying a single click, we got a really nice orange and teal look. If possible, while taking your original photographs, try to take that photograph in RAW, and also if possible, then try to take photos in a garden which have a little bit of sky and a good amount of trees, or you can also take photos near water. It will also give you a really nice look. So here you can also adjust it if it doesn't suit you. Like, you can increase the little of blacks, not so much. Like, okay, 60 is fine to me, and also increase a little bit of whites, but you can see it is fading away, so I'm going to decrease it. Let us set it 0. It's fine to me. It depends upon photograph to photograph, so that's how easy it is. And also guys, if possible, then please give me the credit if you use this preset. However, it is free, but it took a long for me to create orange and teal look for you guys. So if possible, then just give my YouTube link or give my Instagram. My Instagram is in description, or you can also note it. It's at Shagun51. So that was it for today, guys, and I will love to see what you have created by this preset. So thanks for watching, and if possible, then please give me credit in your photos, and I would love to see them, what you have created. Once again, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Have a good day.